Assalamualaikum, how are you? Today, me and my sister, we are flying to France in Marseille. So be with us.
Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm doing amazing, and today is very special and special day for me because for me and for my sister, because we are going to Marseille, which is in France. So today we are flying by ourselves, me and my sister. So the first step we have done the checking, and then now we are on our gate. We're just waiting. Then we have to take our vehicle. For example, the band will come and take through the airport to the plane actually. So till now everything's fine. Wish all the best for us. Thank you. We are taking some selfies. And then we are waiting. You know, you can see outside is raining. Oh my god, so bad today. Iris train is delayed, so it's taking too long to come. It's already like 7:30 or 7, and our flight is 8:25 literally, and it's plane not here at all. So what are we doing? Eating. We are finishing our food actually. Everyone is waiting. After waiting, now it's time to go. So we are in right now. It's not booked.
So now they are giving us some information, direction for safety. So we almost departing, and it will take like 2-hour journey to down there. So you can see the weather is so cloudy, and it's so rainy as well. It's been raining for a whole day, but anyways it's safe to travel as well. Nothing stops you, isn't it? So this is my first time flying alone, without parents, so just with my sister. She's my younger sister anyway. We'll be sharing our experience, how it goes with you guys, and it is fun for me, excited. After 2-hour journey, we finally on our destination. So first thing we took was our bus. So we had to get a bus for 30 minutes, and then we came to the train station, and then from there actually. So this is the train station like Eurostar from France to Italy to UK and so on. So this is the station. From here we got our ticket. As you can see, we are waiting for our metro. So from this metro we will be reaching out to our location, which is in our nearby our hotel. So I'm just showing you guys how the metro station look like. It's a bit different than UK, but it's different, so it has to be different anyways. So we'll be taking our train shortly. It's here. They don't call it train, it's called metro. So yeah, this is how inside it is, and we'll be out very soon. And it didn't took longer. It was like 10 minutes or something. So it is almost 12 o'clock, and we have took every transport we had to take it. So we are on the way to go to our hotel destination. We may need to walk like 10 minutes as well.
So we are out. We are in the city. You know what is the funniest thing? I'm gonna show you. I just found out. What is it? Look here. It's so funny, isn't it? So interesting. I never seen in the UK like having hanging like this the dresses, but and like buildings. It's like look like Bangladesh. Our fancy buildings in Bangladesh. So yeah, this kind of look like Dhaka somehow. Let's go, guys. It's so madly so sunny. So I'm gonna become darker. Actually, we're gonna become darker. You know what? Like we plan to get a cab, but our head size is so huge that cab doesn't fit on it. So shame of it. The buildings, so cool, isn't it? Wow! Look at this, so clever.
This building is so cool, isn't it?
It's a long journey. আমরা চলে এসেছি আমাদের অ্যাপার্টমেন্টে। এটা like not a hotel, এটা হচ্ছে Airbnb, so it's like a house, yeah. So just দেখাচ্ছি কি কি আছে ভিতরে. So first যখন আমরা আসি, একটা ডেকোরেশন আছে, live, love and lounge. Then the room এর ভিতরে ঢোকার সাথে সাথে আমাদের লেফট সাইডে আছে আমাদের টয়লেট. তো টয়লেট কি কি আছে, এখানে আমাদের টাওয়াল দেওয়া আছে আর এন্ট্রান্স দেওয়া আছে আর হচ্ছে তোমার টিস্যু দেওয়া আছে. This is how it does it look like, and we have a tub, and this is the standing shower. It's very basic and simple. On the other hand, we have like a kitchen, and it's called a stove, and this is a fridge, so it's fully empty right now. And we have some wardrobe with the medicine, and I don't know, this seems like snack. There we go. We have some coffee, tea, and basic things. And this is a coffee maker, oven, bean, little table for 2 person to have a food. We have some like this is nice actually, beds and all those stuff. And after we got a sofa, like it's a sofa bed literally. And this is a table, the guitars, we got a small TV, and here we got like Wi-Fi, there's a fan, a small mirror, and there is another mirror, big one. And then this side, if you need to do any ironing, and this is our pillow that we're going to use, and this for laundry. So, right now, the bed looks like a sofa, but we have a little small light-a-hole. If you come this way, this is the shutter. You can pull it out more. Yeah. Wow. It went. Right. Let's come. Go out. Oh, come on. Yeah. So much. Let's come. Oh, it's a balcony. It's beautiful. They have mountain down there. Yeah. How to take this off? This is a maid. Sounds great. Wait, where's my kids? No. Maybe come down. So yeah, this is our room, and let's get for us. এই বাসাটার ভিতরে কিচ্ছু না literally, like seriously, and luckily we found something like কিছু 5 cme. Luckily we managed to get something, you know, like they have some used pasta, spaghetti, and some tomato, and some beans, and the mixed beans. So room kinda look prettier. Kinda. It's like small house. বাইরে এত গরম যে তোমার এটা বন্ধই করে দিছি, এখন আমরা রান্না করব. So what are we doing? We're cooking. What? Whatever we have. Like pasta.
And
It's pasta and spaghetti. Man, don't finish it. So we're gonna have with this, I don't know how does it call this shit.
mixed vegetable.
Yeah, mixed vegetable. And you open this up, and then we're going to mix with the tomato. Yeah, and we're going to mix with that piece actually. So yeah, ladyfinger or piece, I don't know, maybe. So this is the bowl. Oh my god, how are we gonna handle it? But we're going to handle it. So I don't know how does it look like. মনে হচ্ছে জেলখানার কয়েদিদের খাবার, বাট ফার্স্ট ডেটে করতে হবে. This one is final result of our food for today. After eating and sleeping, we have done. So now it's like 6 o'clock, and we're out to do some shopping for like food shopping, as we're going to be here for 5 days. So need to get some, like, need to get familiar with some food, what you can have, what you can buy. Of course, you cannot eat like for 5 days or 3 times a day, so it's going to be too much. So now where we are going to Lead, actually. Yeah.
So we came to a supermarket called Casino. I'll be giving you a short tour to you guys, what they have, what is inside, how much, what things are available, and what is the price, and we'll go together. Let's see.
Cheese. Look how yummy. Oh my
I love prawns a lot, but 29 euro is too much actually, being honest. It could be like 5 euro, 6 euro.
That's so cool, you know, like I never saw in the supermarket to have a fish like this. Ooh, cool. Wow. We need to get something that we can eat. This is nicer.
Just fry this one.
This amazing type of tuna. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my la la la. This one is so cool, sexy, beautiful. Mozzarella section. Cheese section. Yogurt. So many good yogurts. Oh my goodness. Look at this. They're selling porridge in the pot. Wow.
It's not porridge.
Shut up. Couscous. You can just take it and warm up and eat it, right? Wow. Amazing. I want to take every single one. You have everything. Look at ice creams. Their milk is so different. Oh, here is other option. Whatever you need is here available. It's huge, you know, like I love it. Wow, they have everything. Wow, I'm a fan of it. No, should come here. They got makeup, they got salami, haircut. Tea section.
That's tea section.
Look at this morning breakfast.
This one's nice.
Yeah. Honey. I'm getting crazy by looking at this pizza. This is pizza section. This is like these are the drinks. Wow. Huh? So this is a casino, like a casino. Near the supermarket, there is a lady. So I'm gonna go and have a look, like what is the difference there? If it's a price are lower, or like if there is a same option that I'm gonna get from Lidl. If it's not, I'm gonna come back here.
So now I came to Lidl. Let's see what is it. It's not gonna be much option anyways. So basically in France, the casino or supermarket they have is so expensive than other one.
Lidl has literally nothing.
Basically they don't have much option.
So, Sumaiya, you baguette from here, you put on it, they just cut it for you. It's ready. Where is it? Now, if you want, you can take it.
Raisin gummy.
Almost completed our shopping. We'll be going back to our hotel. We'll be eating and taking some rest. I will be going outside. Thank you for watching. If you like to watch, please stay with us for more videos. Bye.